डॉक्टर मुशर्रफ हुसैन इस वक्त यूजी न्यूज़ से ख़ुसूसी गुफ्तगू कर रहे हैं। आइए आपको सुनवाते हैं।
Of course, the purpose of the terrorist, the white supremacist, is racist. Of course, Islamophobic. But more than that, I think he wanted to divide the people, divide the communities, so to create more conflict. And I think the response of Muslims is that we are not going to go down that route of hating and of taking revenge, of doing anything wrong. We believe that this is absolutely atrocious crime that has been committed against innocent worshippers, unimaginable actually in a country that is a very peaceful country. Things will be very different from now on, surely in New Zealand. But our message is one of patience, forgiveness, tolerance, and unity. I think today in our mosque, after the Jummah sermon, we had many Christian, Jewish, and people of no faith coming to show that solidarity with the Muslims, that we are united and no one can divide us. Such acts of terrorism are really signs of cowards and signs of evil minds and minds that are confused and inhuman.